5%, yeah.
Yeah, set it to 5 and we'll see. I'll record this too. So this is at off.
Off.
They're starting up.
That was fun to watch.
Watching it start up.
When I turned it on,
Yeah.
it first turned
Anti-clockwise
for a moment and then switched to clockwise.
So this is the new stuff. So I think maybe I was a little confused because this is the fan. This is continuous. This doesn't go on and off with the fan, but this one and this one, yeah. But I was thinking that should have gone away. So the fan's noise definitely went away when we turned them off.
But there's other things.
But there's other,
All right, well, you want to...
and they're close.